What is it that is making China move forward, move so fast compared to other countries?
The GDP of the world is moving towards East. Many key economic transactions are moving towards East.
This is a market that has shown tremendous growth going forward, not only in terms of acquisitions, but also in terms of the digitalization.
No matter what you want to do today, if you want to work in energy in South America, if you want to work in the food and beverage industry in Northern America, if you want to work in fashion in Europe, today China is inevitable. You will deal with China no matter what you do anywhere in the world and no matter what you do.
That's why CMBP is a critical learning experience for the 21st century professionals, managers and entrepreneurs.
It's a great opportunity for young professionals to be able to embrace opportunities that are being offered either by European firms in China or by Chinese multinationals in Europe.
They will know how to participate into the future China One Belt One Road initiative. It will be very helpful for their career.
It's an awesome opportunity to learn more about this country and the tradition.
It's one of the best experiences I ever had.
You can find teachers that can really give you advice and explain you how to live and work in China.
You have the possibility to look at 3 different cities, starting at the Beida in Beijing.
I have already got a job in China after coming here, and secondly, these tools are always great for anyone to work actually anywhere, because these tools are needed almost in all kinds of international jobs.
China is like the new America, and here you have opportunities.